Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zara and welcome to the episode 8 of How to Crochet for Absolute Beginner series. Today I am going to show you how to make a magic circle. So this is the ball. This is the tail end and this is the yarn attaching to the ball. So we have to take the tail end on the left hand and the working yarn on the right hand. So just take the tail end on the left hand and hold it in such a way as I do. Now wrap the working yarn around your left hand fingers in such a way and makes an X and hold the yarn from this finger. You can see one end is holding by thumb and the other with this finger. Now take the hook and insert the hook under the bottom yarn. This is the bottom yarn and this is the upper yarn. Insert the hook under the bottom yarn and pull the upper yarn and twist the yarn. Remember that this is the yarn attaching to the ball. Now you have to make a chain 1 from the working yarn. Now take out your fingers and you can see the magic circle is created. Now work into the circle, insert the hook into the circle and work single crochet or whatever stitch you are using and work like that. Insert the hook and into the magic circle, pull up the working yarn and again yarn over and pull through 2. In such a way you can work into the magic circle. Insert the hook into the magic circle, pull up the working yarn, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Insert the hook into the magic circle, pull up the working yarn, yarn over and pull through 2. In such a way, work any stitch. It is a double crochet or half double crochet or whatever stitch you are using into the magic circle. After making the stitches, you can just hold the tail and pull the tail end to close the circle. So that's it. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take great care of yourself. Bye bye.